Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Arai, and today I am going to be eating the spiciest hot noodles. And I just got regular noodles, just a ramen, whatever you want to call it. But I got the hot sauce today. Right here, and my mom actually bought some more this time. This, and the boy in the back. I'm kidding. Okay. But anyways, I'm going to be eating the noodle. What the fuck? I just lined it all over my shirt. Okay, now I'm freaking. That looks enough. I like it to be spicy. I want my noodles to be on fire. Honestly, not that spicy. Let me put some more. Okay, that should be enough. Now, yeah. You guys seen how much there was before? There was like that much. And then before, and I just used all that. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this back. And we're gonna eat in the living room. But I'm gonna go get me my cup. So there's a guest here. Anyways, we're gonna get my cup.
There you have it for Big Dog.
I got my cup.
When's that coming out?
And I'm stupid. Wash this out. I don't know if he wants to be on YouTube, so there's that. Let me get my drinks. I know it's bad to eat ramen, hot ramen, with pop. Mama! This should be well. Okay, so. Can you?
Maybe. Okay, Gabby, help you.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I'll come.
Okay. So. Have that.
I knew that butt looks a little bit bony. Yo, State Farm, y'all having trouble? Okay, when things get ratchet, you better have insurance. We'll be right back.
These aren't cheesy.
Huh?
See how it started as a moment and has become so much more.
I put a lot lot of sauce in there.
Because when we can see her, we see strength. We see inspiration. We see
I need to put my phone on the charger. And it's gonna break, I bet.
Matters. You can't spell heroes without her. See her. Brought to you by Dove Body Wash.
I'm gonna put my phone sideways. Like this.
Gentle on your microbiome.
So,
Microbiome?
there.
Biome or Dio? Microbiome. I actually don't even know what that is.
Hot spicy noodles.
At least the carrots would help. But we do have to protect it. Your microbiome protects your skin. Now Dove discovered its moisturizing formula cleanses without stripping skin's microbiome. Made with 100% gentle cleansers and sulfate-free. Dove Body Wash. Microbiome gentle. Softer, smoother skin.
Nick's mom called the TV 8 times to help her shy son make some new friends. His parents shared videos of highlights, dance moves, and Jimmy Carlisle's long third. Almost. They sent 7 texts when their new friend invited Nick for a play date. But in the end, they put their phones down and watched as Nick finally felt part of the team.
Sonic's double stuffed Oreo waffle cone, made with Oreo wafers, layered with sweet Oreo cream, real ice cream, and Oreo cookie pieces. Talk about Oreo overload. Try one before they're gone, and try order ahead to get happy hour anytime.
Wanna play?
Jumper heads here.
Why not?
Play more, play delicious. This groundbreaking art exhibit. It smells amazing. Luxurious, very calming. But where do we smell it? Wait, it's Suave? I can't say that's the Suave. Take this herbal Suave body wash. Smelling is believing.
Guys, my lips are burning.
You've been waiting for the undisputed champs, Tundra and Tacoma. And in this corner, the reigning rulers of the road. Let's get ready for spring.
Not bad.
Ready for a great deal?
Let's do it!
So good.
What makes an amazing deal even better? How about that every new Toyota comes with Toyota Care, a 2-year or 25,000-mile no-cost maintenance plan and roadside
What if my
assistance.
lips get swollen
Ready,
from
set,
this?
go get your Toyota today.
Toyota, let's go.
I mean milk. But I hate milk. So I'm not gonna get milk.
House is captivating, and you'll adore Haley Lou Richardson. 5 feet apart, rated PG-13.
For real cold and flu protection. With Lysol.
Hot.
Real cold. Lysol disinfectant spray kills the #1 cause of the cold, and Clorox wipes don't. Lysol. What it takes to protect.
So what happened with this 2016 presidential run?
Can your lips get swollen from eating hot noodles?
You know what happens, man. We get the munchies, good boy. You start looking up conspiracy theories. Next thing you know, you like, I could be president. So then I started going for president. Then I found out, like, the first week of it, I was too young. Next thing you know, headlines, you too young. Then I ran for Speaker of the House, man, more power.
Well, look, this category is dedicated to kind of overlooking that one thing that it takes to achieve what you wanted to achieve. It's called Forgot One Thing. Take a look. Hey, is this thing
I can eat my tongue off.
Oh, wait a minute. My cell phone.
Because it's hot.
Man, so are you trying to tell me I just hold it? He snapped like a camera and bald guy head. He legitimately didn't know how it worked.
He got it the worst in the rain.
He got the worst because he's looking at the camera and I don't fail. Okay, he's doing a little thing we call burglary.
My lips are the most burning part.
You created your way in
I'm doing a
Mm-hmm.
My name's Jeff. I live on 3rd Street.
No, I swear to God, like 3 times. I swear.
You don't hear it pop off.
I was in a car smoking. I just pulled off. I look at my red unit, like hanging off together.
This is a very unusual situation here. Oh, wait a minute.
huh?
Eat it. Turn it over here.
Where do you?
Yeah, I put a little hot sauce in it though.
There you have it for forgot one thing.
I'm not drinking milk with it.
For blunt rollers. And you got like 60,000 applications, man. Look. Whoa.
You want a noodle?
No, it's hot.
It's a popular job, man.
I really need an assistant, but my life's so spontaneous, and I really not like a person. Hey,
Yeah, I
make
know.
coffee every morning.
Hey,
You want banana?
let's go this night. And this is the
Mommy, give her a banana.
He said, I said no.
Like to filter how many people wanted to do it. Like
Someone
you just
spoke
said,
up
like
last
5
night.
people screamed.
Because after that team went home,
How did he
I was laying down, but they came over.
You don't take
I was standing when I was trying to lay down and shit, dude. I spoke up when they came in. Just want to smoke and shit. I don't remember him. I spoke out, dude. I told Mom, I said, man, Billy had put something in that fucking weed, man.
You hungry?
Ow!
Quit screaming! And that weed. Yeah.
Bye.
And then Billy had
Okay,
put
so I'm
some
gonna
in
end the
that
video
fucking weed,
because
man.
this is too hot.
Yeah. You fucking up.
Look. My lips look bigger. Well, they hurt. Peace. Bye.